YouTube. This is Abdel Car Fix, and we have a 2007 Camry. It's the 3.5 six-cylinder engine, and the customer basically tried to jump the car, and they jumped it, put in the cable in the wrong spots. Now we noticed the car wouldn't start. Some fuses were blown on this vehicle, and then this is really what's going on. You take the battery out, okay, and the fuse box, you got 3 bolts, one here and 2 on the side right there by the wall, by the fender. You take those 2 bolts out and this become loose. Actually, you don't have to take the air cleaner on this one. See, become loose. So you got 2 so you got 2 those tabs on this side and this side for this guy. You just pop the tab and you pull it, and then you got a cover right. It comes right there, the cover. As you see where the bolts looks like a hole for bolts. There's 2 of them there, okay, and 1 on the other side. I only found 1 on this side, and the other side has 1, and then that's what I pulled out. And look at it, it's broken. That's the alternator. It controls so many different things. Look how it's blowing in there. So, and the other side, yep, it's blowing completely. So that guy right here is your problem, especially if you're using try to jump the vehicle and you mess up with the wire, with the cables, and that's what it'll blow. It'll blow your alternator. I think they call it the alternator fuse or link, okay. There's 2 of them there. This one seemed to be fine. This is the one that blown, and the car won't start. The lights come on, but there's a bunch of stuff that's not working. So that's exactly what's going on. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe this time and like my videos.